Hello friends, welcome to Computer World. Today our topic is A to Z shortcut keys.
Control plus A all select, Control plus D bold, Control plus C copy, Control plus D font duplicate, Control plus E center, Control plus F find, Control plus G,
Control plus H replace, Control plus I italic, Control plus J justify, Control plus K hyperlink, Control plus N align text left, Control plus M hanging indent, Control plus N new page. Control plus O open, Control plus P print, Control plus R align text to right, Control plus Q add space after paragraph, Control plus S save, Control plus T left indent, Control plus U underline, Control plus C paste, Control plus W close, Control plus X cut, Control plus Y redo, Control plus Z undo. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment.